Hey there, foodies and dessert enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a sweet surprise from a beloved brand. You know Betty Crocker, right? The baking legend that's been around for ages, making our lives more delicious with their convenient mixes and sprinkles. But here's the twist. They've been quietly dropping new products, and I'm here to spill the beans. So, imagine my surprise when I discovered Betty Crocker's secret stash of flavored sugars. Yes, you heard that right. They've got a whole collection of these magical sugars, and it's like they've been hiding under a rock, waiting to be discovered. I mean, who doesn't love a good sugar rush, especially when it comes with a twist? The collection boasts 6 tantalizing flavors: lemon twist, vanilla bean, peppermint, cinnamon roll, pumpkin spice, and salted caramel. Each one sounds like a dessert dream come true. And the best part? They come in shaker bottles, making it super easy to sprinkle some magic onto your treats. Just imagine the possibilities. Your pies, donuts, and cookies could be elevated to a whole new level of yum. Now, what makes these flavored sugars stand out is their versatility. You can go classic and sprinkle them on desserts, but why stop there? One reviewer had a genius idea of using them as a rim for a cream soda mixed drink. How cool is that? It's like having a secret weapon to transform ordinary drinks into something extraordinary. Personally, I find it fascinating how a simple twist of flavor can spark so much creativity. It's not just about the taste. It's about the experience and the memories you create. These sugars could be the missing ingredient in your next baking adventure or a fun way to impress your guests. What many people don't realize is that these little additions can make a huge impact on the overall enjoyment of a dish. In today's fast-paced world, where convenience often takes priority, Betty Crocker's flavored sugars offer a quick and easy way to add a personal touch to your culinary creations. It's like having a secret baking superpower. And with the positive reviews rolling in, it's clear that these sugars are a hit. People are loving the Starbucks-like experience at home, and who can blame them? If you're a baking enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a good dessert, this collection is definitely worth checking out. You can find it at select grocery stores and online retailers, and at $8 a bottle, it's a small investment for a whole lot of flavor. So, will you be trying these new Betty Crocker treats? I know I can't wait to get my hands on them and experiment with some sweet creations. Happy baking, and remember, a little sprinkle of flavor can go a long way.